I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make steak on a Blackstone, updated. Press steaks on the hot plate for a strong sear, then move to medium heat to finish. Rest steaks for 5 minutes to allow juices to redistribute. Use a thermometer to reach desired doneness and slice against the grain for tenderness. Keep tools handy and work confidently for consistent results. Warm your Blackstone thoroughly and add a thin oil layer before placing steaks down. Sear quickly on high to lock in juices, then reduce heat and cook to target temperature. Use a thermometer and remove when steaks are a few degrees below final temp to rest. Resting ensures juicy slices and more even texture. Slice deliberately and serve immediately for the best experience. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while cooking with a reliable water bottle you can grab quickly between flips. It keeps focus and energy up. I use one that fits a cup holder and seals well for outdoor grills. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After searing, lower heat and finish steaks to desired doneness, checking with a reliable thermometer. Tent steaks loosely with foil and let them rest. This step concentrates juices and improves texture. Carve using smooth strokes and cut against the grain for tenderness. Add a pat of butter or herb oil to enhance flavor if desired. Serve promptly and enjoy the rich results from your Blackstone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.